Whoa! Blue Pimple Phone! Just pop the day away! Come on, you can't say no to all this goo! So gross! Ew! Ew! Yuck! Now, what do we have here? Blackheads be gone! Watch out! Oh! We need to save Blue! Chief Doctor! He's on it! Pull out all the buggies! What are they doing there anyway? This calls for sprinkles! Buddy, you think everything calls for sprinkles. Rainbow magic! That's coming with… Blue's gonna be a changed monster when he's through. I mean, we put rainbows and sparkles in him. Almost done, bud. Hey, wanna get that goop? Oh, for sure-y! Blue, you look glued! Oh, great goodness! What is going on up in here? Yuck! Super stink! Anyone want goo? You know it! Here it comes! Prepare yourself! Mega stretchy! Glitter on deck! That's perfect for slime! Any glitter glue fans in the audience? Hey? Oh yeah! Wow. That's the good stuff! Get on in there good! There's no bugs welcome on this tea! Holy moly, that's really working! Booyah! I want spotless! Spotless! A job well done. Ooh. I saw this one on Lion King. Those bugs always looked grubby. Hello, Flamingo Squish! Oh no, look! Got carried away and burst the toy, eh? Have no fear, I've got a plan, Stan! Decorate the tape! Just like that, you got it! Make it all into one color. Get a stick and attach your sticky. Oh, yeah! Blow! Bubblicious! Go on, doodle anything you want on your new best friend. Oh, yeah. I recognize that face anywhere. That's gotta be you, Blue. Oh, yeah! Now it's a party! Great work, dude! Crown! Oh, yeah! Squish your little heart out! Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah! Ooh, gotta go, gotta go! Whoa, watch your aim! Oh my god! New shirt, anyone? Oh, yeah! He balls it up and secures it with a rubber band. Now just add color. Well, guys, there's many ways to add color. Flush! Whoa, check it! Is that a tie-dye masterpiece? Oh, it sure is! Pop it on! Looking good! Come on, man, let's rock! Oh, wow! Oh! Oh! Fill up all the balloons with straws! You got this thing! So squishy! Oh my god! There's so many! Pick! Go on! Pop! Pop them! Whee! Again! Yeah! No! Fill up the Megaloon! Up, up, up! To the top, baby! Squish! Oh, it's so bouncy! Satisfying. Now, how did we get here? Whoa, tsunami! I'm gonna pop! Gimme that pop. Just unwrap it. Oh no! Hey, good aim. Oh, you didn't mean to do that. You! Yeah! Let's do this thing. Squishy! In you go! Now, enjoy, old doggy boy. Woof. Whoosh. Thanks, little buddy. Keep popping them candies. Come to Papa. Oh, wow. Yeah. Nice work, buddy, old pal. That is quite the collection. Hi, ducky. Bye, achoo! What the snot? Oh, blow! Huh, makes me hungry. Hot dogs after filming? Oh, what's our buddy making? 1, 2, more? Mellow yellow? Wrap it around and round and round? That's a big one, bud. Huggy! Woohoo! Woo! Rah! Gotcha! Who's the monster now? I am Grar. So refreshing. Barbs! What are you? A mini tea! That doubles as a pencil sharpener. That's good. Another! Cool, Uni! That's not a good surprise. Oh, stinky! Hey, you! Whee! I can fly! Owie! Whoa! Kissy Missy! Wait, what? What are you up to? Missy! No! It's not right! Oh, cool hat! Now, squish, squish! Now I'm really flying! Up, up, and away! Time for a potty break! Yahoo! Ew! I don't like the sound of this! Or look! Pop it break! That should calm him down. Make platforms. Up, up, up! Flip-flops are so easy to make. Time to hit the beach, you say? Ha-ha! Oh yeah, poo be gone. Or don't. You don't bother us no more. Hey, ouchie! Ow! Oh, tape? Well, cool. We can work with that. Make a tape bridge. Doodle anything you want. Like Huggy Wuggy, for example. Does this one happen to be friendly? Nice one! Oh yeah! Now check out this ultra cool projector! Wowza! Amazing work! Wow! Gummies! So squishy! So cute! Time for a swim! Wee! All the way to Giganticus Ted the Fourth! Cool! Wow! Wow! Yeah, I agree with you. This won't hurt a bit. We just need some jelly. This poppet ain't gonna fill itself. So cool. So colorful, too. Blow it all dry. Ooh, treat of the century. And there's so many flavors. Come on, eat it. Boop-de-loop, so many candies. I love it. Coolest phone case ever. And when you get hungry, heck, you slobber monster. I was wondering what that smell was. What? Stinky. All you gotta do is stuff that sock. And now, add buttons. Right on. Is that blue you're making? That is the coolest thing ever. Wrap a band around his head. What's a blue without his arms? And legs! Can't forget those. Cut the string. Oh no! We won't ever forget your crown. Oh, blue! You stink, dude! Ew! What? You're on a treasure hunt? A balloon? Yeah! Put a marble in there! Boop-de-loop! That's all you need! Tie it on! Just like that! Yeah! Now what? Huh? There's different ways to blow up your balloons, kids! Add your eyes and mouth. Whoa! I know that crown anywhere. It's Blue! And he knows how to bob around. Hey! Bye! Here, fishy foo! Well, hello there! A little salt is in. Yes! And a lolly decor. Just wait for it. Whoa! Magic crystals! Look at all those sparkling gems! So pretty! Everyone at school will be jealous!
Oh my gosh! She's covered in slime! Ew! I know! I'll fix her up right away! Get these doctor gloves and start a poppin'! Pop! 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 Dang! She's really been there a while! Wipe, wipe! Wow! She looks good as new! Oh wait, a hole on the bottom? I know! Just grab a balloon. Stick it through! Add the details and… you've got yourself a hot new toy! Cool!
Get ready, little booty! It's syringe time! Let's make this tushy really pop! We've got little colorful zits now! Pop! Pop! Wow! Nice! Amazing work, friendo! Pop! Pop! So much color! So much fun! Let's wipe you off! Ooh! Looks like Barbie's booty is ready! Fill the spot with silicone and wait till it hardens! Woohoo! Perfect! Fits the Rainbow Friend toy drawing perfectly! Now we can insert the colorful pus we'll get to pop!
I just love the feeling of popping a bubble, don't you?
Let's have at it! Pop! 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 Wow! 5 stars!
Oh wow, what did I find? Cute frog. If I kiss him, will he turn into a prince? No prince. Wait, what the heck? Are these pimples on my face? I can pop them all! I've got all these colors on my face now! So cool! I can use my face to paint around this cute little guy! Wow! So pretty! Ooh, let me swipe that! Thank you! There! Now I have this beautiful phone case! Hello? Yes! 5 stars it is!
Let's have a seat! Yikes! I think something poopy happened! See anything? Oh no! So embarrassing! What to do, Nancy? Let's get these off ASAP! Wrap a rubber band around each part of the panties. Place it in the toilet and keep adding paint. Wowza! Rainbow boom! Now add foam. And be sure to mix it up. Soak the whole mixture in water. And you've got your own tie-dye pants! Check it out! Problem of any stain solved! And they look absolutely fabulous! Cool!
Oof! What a zinger! Better press it hard! Oh, this is always the toughest part! What can I do now? Ooh, the beauty box might have an answer! Nice! Pimple patches can do the trick! Let me place them all over my zits! Rip! smells amazing! I have such smooth skin. Oh, wow! Check this out! Who do we have here in the toilet today? So cool! I can use my face to paint around this cute little guy! Wow! So pretty! Ooh, let me swipe that! Thank you! There! Now I have this beautiful phone case! Hello? Yes! 5 stars it is!